Location, location, location. Well, that's the theme of this property. For today, we're here in San Jose Village, one in Biñan, Laguna, easily accessible from the Cavite-Laguna Expressway in the New Valley Boulevard. Napakalapit po niya sa Soledad New Valley, sa Paseo, sa Vista Mall, and just beside it is a school, si Don Bosco Biñan. In just a few minutes drive, nandyan na po si De La Salle Integrated. Kaya napakaganda po ng location ng property nito. No? This sits in a lot area of 110 square meters with a floor area of 150 square meters. It has two bedrooms, a maid's room, a carport that can fit one vehicle, a beautifully designed home, and it's just perfect for somebody who has a child that goes to school and needs to be everywhere at the same time. So if you would like to see this property, or you would like to see the rest of the house tour, you can go on our YouTube channel and nandun po ang aning full house tour.